Alright, this one here is my first one that I made. Really good cuts, except I kind of messed up the bass tube here. This one here did a really good job with the subwoofer and the bass port, but the tweeters are just too overkill. I've got some tweeters on order for actually both of these, which has a lower SPL, and it'll balance out with the woofer there. So it's kind of like a lessons learned type thing. Now, going back to the first one that I did here, I got these tubes here from Lowe's, and they're perfect. So I can tune, or which way it goes, like this or whatever. Okay, this is going to screw in right there, and I can put this, you know, to tune it. I got this glued in real good like, right? So I've got a couple of things working on here, and then in the meantime, I built this little guy here out of those Rockford Fosgate coaxials. Not bad, it has a decent sound to it. Now with the crossovers, it actually needs a crossover. I may rip the ones out of these bookshelf ones and put them in one of them. I don't know which one, but you know, it's fun. Learning and, you know, sharing is caring with these, and you know, get good sound out of it. But yeah, the bass is real good. The amplifier, really good with this. Just got to get the tweeter situation figured out. Thanks for watching. Have a good Saturday. All right, check out this little Tractor Supply ammo box I got for $6. It's got a little bass port there, the USB charging right down there, those Rockford Fosgate coaxials. So I decided to put them to use, right? Turn it on right here. Big old fat green light, right? Let's take a look on the inside before I start slamming some music out. A lot of sound deadening. Seal on the top here, a couple of layers there. It's that old amp I had. It's Bluetooth. There's a bass port there. There's a speaker there. Let's see if I get a little better light. Hella switch here. Fuse right here. And a little 5 amp hour battery. Let's turn on some music. Cut the lid. Got a little bass to it. Not bad. But there you have it.